with annual buffalo meat production reaching tens of millions of tons, and buffalo milk supply exceeding 20 million tons per year. The buffalo farming industry not only plays a vital role in agriculture, but also generates immense economic value. Not only a nutrient-rich food, buffalo milk is also the key ingredient in producing renowned cheeses, playing a crucial role in shaping the global food industry. Right now, join me in exploring the buffalo farming process, from the farm to modern processing, to understand the nutritional and economic potential of this food source. Every day, farmers harvest grass and mix it with supplemental feeds such as straw, sugarcane bagasse, and grain bran to enhance nutrition. Buffaloes are fed 2 to 3 times a day, with an average ration of 25 to 30 kilograms of grass and mixed feed per animal. Mature female buffaloes start producing milk after giving birth for the first time, usually around 3 to 4 years old. The new buffalo milking system has received positive feedback due to its modern design, featuring a 70-stall rotary system that enhances milking efficiency. At the processing plant, the milk is rigorously tested for fat and protein content, bacteria, and antibiotic residues. It then undergoes pasteurization to eliminate harmful bacteria while retaining its natural flavor. Workers remove whey by stirring or draining the curd. This crucial step creates ideal conditions for stretching, determining the elasticity and texture of the cheese. After completing the processing steps, the cheese is vacuum sealed or stored in brine or whey to retain its moisture. Pure buffalo milk, with its rich, creamy, and stretchy texture, is distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and consumers. The buffalo carcass is transported to the production line, where skilled workers sort and separate lean meat, tendons, and bones to serve different processing needs. Buffalo milk mozzarella cheese is not only a high-quality ingredient, but also a key component in many delicious dishes worldwide. Buffalo cheese is known for its high nutritional value, especially its rich protein and calcium content, which are beneficial for bones and muscles. Buffalo meat, rich in iron and low in fat, has become a key ingredient in many specialty dishes. We have had an exciting and insightful journey exploring the processing of buffalo cheese and meat. Goodbye, and see you on the next fascinating adventure. With fertile soil conditions and a cool climate, thousands of hectares of artichoke fields yield an annual harvest of up to 8 tons. Packed with nutrients and holding a strong position in the culinary industry, this plant generates an impressive $6 million in profit each year. Artichokes play a vital role in boosting agricultural economies, benefiting both developed and emerging nations. Are you curious about this fascinating plant? If so, join me now as we explore the vast artichoke farms together. The vehicle moves slowly along the prepared rows, with a trenching mechanism at the rear to place the seedlings into the soil. The wheels then lightly press the soil around the roots to keep the plant stable and ensure good root-to-soil contact. After about 4 to 5 months, artichokes begin to bloom and can be harvested for the first time. Artichoke harvesting must be done at the right time, when the flower buds have reached a large size, are still tender, and have not yet bloomed to ensure the best quality. In modern factories today, thousands of tons of artichokes can be processed daily. When transported from the farm to the factory, artichokes often carry a lot of dust, soil, and impurities. The boiling process lasts about 20 to 30 minutes at a temperature of 95 to 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the artichoke flesh becomes tender without losing its flavor or nutritional value. The cleaned and processed artichoke buds are carefully arranged by skilled workers into tin cans or pristine glass jars, all set and waiting on the conveyor belt. Artichokes are not just a delicious food, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients beneficial to health. This remarkable plant is rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants, supporting digestion, improving liver function, and boosting the immune system. To explore these intricate production lines and how factories operate, watch our next videos here.